Hello, hello. Good morning, KB. Happy Tuesday. So, for our Spirit Week today, it is Be an Individual Day. So, we can show that off by having wacky hair, or you can also have wacky, crazy socks, which Miss B also has. However, you want to show just your individuality. If it's through doing something different with your hair, by wearing different colored socks, by wearing some funny socks, however you want to show it off, just show it off, my friends. And you can send pictures to me and Mrs. Staker. So, today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. It is the last day of March. And what is it? It is Riley's birthday. So happy birthday, Riley. During our Zoom meeting later this morning, we can wish you a happy birthday and sing happy birthday to you. Okay? So let's add another straw into our ones place. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. We just have 1, 1. Now, what number is this? Can you say this big number before Miss B? Ready? We have 131 straws. 131. So we've been in school for 131 days. Wow. So I was thinking for today, I could quickly go over our writing assignment for today. So if you remember, back a couple weeks ago, we were making how-to books. A how-to book teaches someone how to do something. So we taught someone how to brush their teeth, and we also wrote a how-to book about how to draw a pigeon. So what we're going to do this week is going to be a little bit different. You're going to choose what you're going to teach someone to do. So we have a little brainstorming sheet. So you can write down maybe 4 or 5 different topics, something that you can do really well that can be done in 4 easy steps. So let me see. Miss B wrote down boil an egg, draw a dog, make chocolate milk, country line dance, and book a vacation. So those were just ones I quickly came up with. I just thought, what can I do really well that I know how to do? And now we're going to choose just one of these to write our how-to book about. Let me think. So I chose how to boil an egg because I think that is probably very easy. It's an easy topic to teach someone to do, okay? Remember, it has to be done in 4 easy steps. So I chose that. I thought, I love the country line dance, but I think that might be a little bit difficult. So I'm going to wait off on that. Okay. So then once you're finished with your brainstorming piece, then you can go to your planning paper. Remember this planning paper? And so you're going to do the 4 different steps. Remember, with each step, we have the transition word. First, next, then, and finally. So how to boil an egg. And I just wrote the steps just in short, just to start getting my brain going, right? So first, get a pot of water. And I draw a little pot of water. Next, put the pot on the stove. A little picture of pot on the stove. Then put the eggs into the hot water. You can see that here. Finally, eat the eggs. And so these just have to be very basic, easy steps. Tomorrow, when we go to write the first 2 pages, the first 2 steps, then we're going to try to stretch out the step and try to expand it, try to add some more detail. But just for today, all you have to do is the brainstorming and the planning paper, okay? And if you have any questions, you can just have your family just email Miss B, and I will be here ready to answer any questions, okay? And if you find that this is just a little too difficult and you're just having a lot of difficulty with it, no worries. Just choose something else to write about for today, okay? Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. You have our lessons, and just be yourself. Be an individual, my friends, okay? Bye.